that I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey cousin, you my cousin too. So in today's video, we're doing some Halloween nails. It's long overdue. Y'all, I've been doing sets, but I haven't been recording them. So I'm just trying to get my footage out so y'all can have some content to watch, because I know I've been neglecting my channel. I know it's not funny. Ain't nothing funny, but no, for real. I know I've been neglecting y'all, and I'm not trying to do that. I didn't abandon y'all either. Just stuff be happening. Life be lifing. But anyways, as y'all can see, I'm trying to do the 2 bead method. I'm working on laying my acrylic skills. I feel like, you know, you do your acrylic or lay your acrylic however you want to do. It's no really real way or the right way to lay acrylic. As long as your nails is smooth and you have a smooth canvas to do your work, your nail art. You find in my books, if you have to take 10, 11, 50, 11 beads, it is what it is. I mean, I just hope that your client like to sit down, but yeah, because I know I don't. So that's why I'm trying to perfect laying less beads and moving faster with my sets. I'm gonna say this too. You're not gonna know unless you try it, because I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder how they lay the acrylic so fast. So I mean, I'm doing it now. I'm practicing it. So the only way to know how to do it is if you practice it. Don't be scared, because one thing about acrylic, you can always drill it to make it thin, and you can always shape it to where you want it to be and how you want it to look. Because like I said, to me, it's no rules in nails. You know, do it at your own pace. But see me, I don't like sitting, so I be trying to move quick as possible. So y'all see me laying this acrylic with 2 beads. Sometimes I could do 1, but it depends on the nails. Like, if I have some short nails, I can do it 1 bead, literally. And that just take time and practice. This set really didn't take long. This set only took about, when I put the time on here without editing it, it just says 56 minutes. So, I mean, that's still not an hour. That's 56 minutes. With nail art and everything. So, I am moving faster. So, yeah, y'all just watch what I do. To create my eyeball, I'm using Builder Gel, and I did mold it into a ball. Y'all, I had so much fun creating this set. What I supposed to, oh, explaining y'all the eyeball. Okay. So after you have your eyeball molded, you want to put it on the nail and you want to cure it. Now, I'm only curing this because I'm going to add more designs on her nails, and I don't want her to keep going under because I feel like that's just defeating the purpose. But once I put that gel polish on her nails, I'm going to let everything cure together. On this finger, I'm creating a brain. So I'm using this light pink color of gel polish, and I'm only going to do 2 layers of this, and then I'm going to add my red gel polish lines to give that brain effect. In creating the lines for the brain, you're just gonna go in like a circular motion with the lines, I guess. I don't want to say zigzag because it's not zigzag, it's like round lines. Just mimic a brain. It don't have no right way or wrong way to do this. To create my eyeball, I'm just using my dotting tool and just adding gel polish to the eye. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. For my thumb, I'm just adding Halloween charms and a little bling. This is her other hand, y'all. On this nail, I'm going to create a caution tape. I think this is so cute because it looked like real caution tape. Now, I can say this is very tedious when you have nails and you have to write words on them. So take y'all time, because when I was writing caution, I ain't even breathe. I was holding my breath, making sure I didn't move, making sure she didn't move. We was very, very still writing them letters. You hear me? And this is the finished results. Very spooky, very cute. If y'all like my video, give my video a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. And thank y'all for watching.